Hello and welcome to another episode of latest update. The topic of discussion is Russia declares emergency in Crimea. Russia declared a regional state of emergency in Crimea due to an oil spill in the Black Sea. The spill, caused by two tankers hit by a storm in December 2023, led to the contamination of sand and soil around the Kerch Strait. Authorities have been working to clear over 86,000 metric tons of polluted material. Environmental damage has included the deaths of dolphins, porpoises, and seabirds. Drishti IAS is elated to announce new offline batches for IAS GS Foundation course covering both prelims and mains at its Noida center. The English medium batch starts from 9th of January, while the Hindi medium batch starts from 16th of January. For more information, call us at 87501 87501. Key details. The oil spill affected the Kerch Strait area, which separates Crimea from Russia's Krasnodar region. More than 10,000 workers are involved in cleaning up the spill, with over 86,000 metric tons of contaminated sand and soil cleared. The spilled M100 grade fuel oil solidifies at temperatures of 25 degrees Celsius, sinking or suspending in the water column. Workers in protective suits continue to remove contaminated soil and sand from the affected beaches and waters. Geopolitical context. Russia's annexation of Crimea in 2014 remains unrecognized by most countries, complicating international response efforts. Despite Russia's efforts, the spill raises concerns about environmental degradation in a geopolitically sensitive area. Russia's ability to manage the spill in Crimea could have broader implications for its environmental policies and international relations. Now it's time for the practice question. Which type of fuel oil was involved in the spill? M100 grade fuel oil, diesel, crude oil, or gasoline? Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.